Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And we're looking at a big week ahead for earnings, the Fed, and jobs reports on Friday. More than 100 of America's biggest corporations are set to report earnings this week, with Apple and Facebook leading the headlines. According to many analysts, Apple and Facebook are expected to be on the opposite ends of the earnings spectrum, with Apple being the laggard and Facebook being the leader this week. We'll take a look at those stocks and kind of tell you where our stops are set. There's also a meeting on middle of the week for the Federal Reserve, which are expected to keep rates steady and unchanged after their meeting this week. However, most traders will be looking for signs about possible timing and pace of future rate increases. And on Friday, the jobs report will shed some light on the health of the U.S. labor market, which after last week's GDP dip, may be the only bright spot in the U.S. economy. With that, let's take a look at the market, see where we stand today, and give you some key levels to watch this week. Right now, the S&P 500 currently trading at 2,273.42 with a chart analysis score plus 75. Did issue a red daily trade triangle today, moving that score down to a plus 75 from a plus 100. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 this week will be 2,254.25. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold's currently trading at 1,196.40. So it's third day of an increase that started on Friday. Chart analysis scores plus 65. Currently trading, it's up about 0.16% on the day. Key level to watch for gold will be the high today of 1,198.61. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to the long position for gold. Dow Jones currently trading at 19,918.56. Gapping down below that 20,000 we achieved last week, an all-time high. Currently with a chart now score plus 75. Did issue a red daily trade triangle today to move the score down from plus 100. Key level to watch for the Dow this week will be 19,677.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to the sidelines position for the Dow. The NASDAQ currently trading 5,598.11 with a red daily trade triangle with a chart analysis score plus 75. Down a little bit over 1% today. Level to watch this week for the NASDAQ would be 5,496.82. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Moving along to the dollar index, currently trading right around $100 today. Chart analysis score negative 55. We're looking for a move above 102.96 would issue a red or a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to the long position for the dollar. Continued sideways pattern, kind of choppiness back and forth on the dollar. Moving along to big mover of the day or big newsmaker, which is kind of a drag on the overall market, is crude oil. Currently trading with a chart analysis score negative 60 in a short position based on a new red daily trade triangle today at 52.58. Key level to watch for crude oil will be 54.08. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, or a green daily trade triangle, sorry about that, indicating a move to the sidelines position out of a short position for crude oil. Of course, this is all based on news that OPEC is convincing investors that they are going to keep cutting production, but we'll have to see on that. And then we want to go ahead and take a look at, I'll show you a couple stocks. We'll go over here to my tech portfolio, and we'll take a look at Apple, which reports earnings after the close on the 31st. Currently trading around 121.18. It's a gap down from the close on Friday of 121.94, as you can see related to the chart. Currently chart analysis score plus 100 with all three trade triangles in the green in a long position. Key level to watch for Apple and earnings is 118.22. That's where we would issue a red weekly trade triangle. You may want to set your stop there. That way you can lock in profits if you've been long. back here from our weekly trade triangle at 112.42. As many of you know, Apple can be quite volatile on earnings days. So oftentimes, even if they hit or beat estimates, there tends to be a little bit of profit taking with Apple. And we'll go back to my portfolio here, and we'll go to our internet portfolio, and we'll just take a quick look at Facebook. Facebook reports earnings later this week as well. Currently trading down at 130.39, down 1.25% on the day, with a new red daily trade triangle making the chart analysis score plus 55. Of course, it has a red monthly and a green weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Here's our weekly here. We'll actually turn off the dailies here so we can kind of focus on it. Green weekly at 121.69. And then here's our red monthly back here at 122.07. Currently, what you're looking for in Facebook is a move above 133.50. A move above that level, we would issue a new green monthly trade triangle indicating a long position. Something to definitely keep your eyes on. And actually, we'll take a look at our weekly level here. If you're looking to go short, you may want to set your level around this 3-week low here at 123.04. Right around that level would be a new red weekly trade triangle in Facebook. With that, I'll see you on Wednesday. We'll come back with a midweek market update, and we'll see where these stocks look as they come into earnings after the market close. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you then.